Not fast, not fast. Let her gain her step. Slow down, slow down. Not so fast. It's got to be easy. Good, good. Got to be easy. Good. All right, bring her in. A little bit at a time. See?
I got you on camera, Luke. What's the purpose of that?
See, well, she wanted some backup when we did the closed blind. First, you weren't here that day. So what I want to do now is teach her what happens on the open side of the blind, and then we'll go back to the closed.
Gotcha.
See what I'm saying?
Gotcha.
All right, Mama, you want to keep it right here.